Hey guys, it's moving day. Not for us, but for these guys. Stay tuned.
Hey girls, you want some grubs?
Ooh, grubs. Oh, look how fast.
You want some? Come on, get them.
Wow, they love these.
Here. Here.
Oh my goodness.
Here, come here. Boy,
Wait, make sure you have one for Jaja.
Yeah.
Jaja, she can't see, so she needs...
Here, Marianne, come get over here. Marianne, over here. Yes, no problem. Then when they run there, I can throw Jaja one.
She ran. She can't see.
Marianne, here. Oh.
So the first thing, guys, is we want to save all this valuable hemp bedding for the chickens. It goes all into the compost bin area that my husband made. And that's part of moving day, because this way, you know, they get fresh bedding, they get fresh grass. And so a couple things have to happen. We're going to, if you guys see those little anchors, they have to come up, and he's going to wash off the tray first, and then we'll get moving. This makes it so handy just to hose off because it's plastic. So many people struggle with cleaning wood cages and wood coops, and we did have a wood coop years ago, so this is really, really nice. So guys, you just hit this little lever on each side that brings the wheels into a position to get moving. You gotta move slow, because there are areas where we found out the hard way where they can kind of escape as we're doing this process. So we're moving very, very slow and letting them walk with the cage. And so this is just an area here, maybe a couple feet over, that has more grass, fresh grass, and they get very, very excited. Watch Jaja, a little slower, a little slower. And watch your feet before you put it down. Okay. Moving day. Fresh grass, guys. And then he's simply gonna put the wheels back down into a state where we can fix the predator proofing and put the new stakes around. And you guys can see, let me back up here. The area here where the coop was, they pretty much clear out the grass. And they were only there maybe, I want to say maybe 3 days, 4 days. So we're trying to move like anywhere between 3 to 5 days. So they always have the feeling that they're foraging. They are so excited. They instantly start pecking the grass. It's like, chickens are very curious creatures. They like the new space. They always, you're supposed to keep chickens kind of always filled with some sort of activity in the winter because they get bored. So this chicken tractor is working out really well so far, and our girls really love it. So thanks for coming along on moving day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks so much, guys, for joining us once again.